Hi and welcome to Ron's Garage. This nice evening I decided to spend some time wrenching. And I have recently decided that I should start looking into this El Camino roof, the El Camaro. But that's next. I will not do that today. Today I will start looking at some custom motor show purchase. So I have a stereo and I have some speakers, and those should be in the motorhome Sneagen, the Snail. So let's install that.
At Ron's Garage, I build my ride. Not what you like, but my own pride. Stupid ideas fill up my mind, making it work with what I find. I do it all with my own hands, no fancy tools, just my own plans. Building my dreams one part at a time, melting gears in the rhythm so fine. This is my world, this is my sign. In Ron's Garage, where the sparks still shine.
So here I lost the audio for some reason, but I show that I have an old stereo there, and then I have removed the roof of the cab, and that's also the floor where I sleep. So here you can see I have put my plank, it's called in Swedish, my speakers onto that, and then I will start connecting everything. Okay, so the speakers are up there. Good thing I'm not a long person, I'm pretty short, but let's sit there and test it. So yeah, there we have it, and if I move forward I will knock it, but if I sit here it's no issue. I will see out and so on, and I will probably hear it at least. Let's see. It was actually quite quick to change the stereo, but now it's going on the battery of the motor. I want to have it on the battery for the caravan, for the living area. But when I connected this stereo, I have a few small speakers down there, but I also have a couple of speakers here. It sounds okay. Now I need to connect that one also. It's always scary to work with these plastic trims that might break, but looks like it worked fine. A cable is going down there. Let's see if we can do that also. That will be interesting. Yep. Yes, I pushed it down there and I found it down here. So let's just bring it to the stereo. So I was able to pull the cable back to the stereo, and that speaker is connected in the stereo. Let's see if we can pull this cable up here in a good way. So I was able to put the cable behind that trim. Now I need to find something to attach it with up here. Probably will find something on Biltema or wherever, but this is wood, so I should be able to screw it into that. Let's see. Next side. So now both speakers are connected, not easy to film that, but yeah. The cable is just laying down there, so I'll have to fix that. And I need to fix so the cable is better fixed there. But now it's getting pretty dark. I have the lamp here, but it's too dark to work with this. I still need to change the power so I don't take on the motor battery. But I'll continue with this tomorrow, I guess. I'll put the bed linens and mattresses where they should be first. So I was trying to find out how to connect the stereo and realized I have 4.6 volt. This battery is cooked. I will remove it and recharge it, but I don't think it will work. Let's see. So this is not optimal. I have a cable that's black on black, but it has you can feel here that it's one of them is round and one is less round. So the positive I have connected, and I have connected it up here, and that's before the fuse. But I have a fuse on the stereo, so that should be okay. But it's after the main switch for the living area, so that should be okay. It's coming out here, so now I need to make it go up here and down up to the stereo. This is very interesting. When I started measuring, this battery had 12 something. Now you can see, just by connecting the multimeter, the voltage is going down. Now we have 10, and there it stops. Things it feels like. So yeah, I need a new battery, definitely. We have the stereo connected. Down here it looks a bit funky. Yeah, I did not put that battery back because it's not okay. So I just connected it with starter cables, but it seems to work. I need to connect this or tuck these cables so they don't hang down there. And now the cables are tucked in. There are some cables there, but that seems to be original, so I'm not sure. So I bought myself a new battery, 100 amperage hour, but I'm not sure if I can get it down there. Yeah, I'll try and see. It should fit if I get it down, but not sure if I get it down through the hole. Here the sun was gone again, but I realized that I can't close the lid because there are some relays in the way if I have the battery there. So I need to do something to change that. So if I remove those 3 relays, I'm able to close it. So yeah, I'll have to put those relays on something else. Let's see what I have in the garage. So I moved this piece of wood a bit. It's very tight down there, but it looks like it should work. Now I need to connect the positive and negative to the battery, so let's fix that. That looks quite good, I think. Now I will start the power and test the stereo. But also, when I was working here, I put up the fire extinguisher. Might be good to have handy. So, yeah, let's see if we have power.
Wheels and a gasoline string. Years may pass, but I'll keep it tight. One day my Central will shine so bright.
I was even able to use the same holes for the screws, so that lid is where it should be. So I think the stereo installation is done. I have one more thing to do in the back. I'll look at that. So the issue here is that this wooden piece, whatever it's called, is broken. I think they have probably moved things, and this hole between the seats has been too large. And now when we put the table on there, it's kind of yeah, almost on the edge of that. So I think I have a slightly bigger piece. I'll try to put that there instead. So yeah, looks almost the same. It's not painted. I'm not sure what it's called, shellac or something. So that's the original. I'll change that one too, so we get real good coverage there. So yeah, might be a good thing. So one on that side also. Let's see if we can put the table there and if it stays there. So yeah, it does. The table is a bit thinner in the outer edge here, and that's where it broke. But I think it's gonna be enough now. So let's hope it works, and it should work, I think. Yeah, that's great. And we only have one more thing to fix. This shower and sink nozzle actually froze this winter, so it's leaking. Yeah, I will try to find another one. Not sure if that is possible, but if I can do that. I don't see where it broke, so I think I'll test it also first. That might be a good idea. Okay, I found out where. It is broken. I need to see if I can fix one of those, or if I can glue it together. Something I need to do. Yeah, I'll Google a bit. So I found a shower nozzle on Temu. So I hope that will fit, and let's see when that comes. So I will end off this episode here. The speakers are up there and works, and we only need that shower nozzle, and that will come in a couple of days. Thank you very much for all the views and hours you spent with me at the Custom Motor Show at Elmia. Really great to see that you are watching what I do. Next episode I will start looking into the roof of the El Camino, or El Camaro as I call it. I should probably not work with that. I have other projects, but I got inspired by Epamoja and his P1800. So I will try to get my roof together, or at least start looking into it. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of me doing stupid stuff with cars. See you!